This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, trusted by over 10 million men worldwide, but now they're back to solve your head shaving needs with the new Dome Shaver Pro Head Shaver. For anyone trying to keep the top of your dome smooth and fresh, this is a must-have in your grooming kit. These are premium rotary blades optimized for head shaving, leaving a clean and smooth shave every single time. Now, Manscaped is known for their skin-safe technology, and it's no different here, allowing you to shave with confidence thanks to being less likely to experience any nicks or cuts, which is especially useful when you're cutting it that close. Manscaped has also made it waterproof because I know, they know, and you know, we tend to get things done when it's extra convenient. So whether that be in the shower, over the sink, or even touching up while traveling, this can go with you whenever and wherever. Now, built into the blade is Manscaped's innovative FlexAdjust technology, which allows each blade to stay in close contact with your head as it contours and wraps around as you move, providing a more precise and comfortable shave no matter the shape of your head. This may be the first ever shaver we've tested that can wirelessly charge alongside my phone. The magnetic blade head clicks into place securely, but also conveniently snaps off when needed, making cleanup a breeze by simply running it under some water and then popping it back on. The shape and ergonomics have also been purposely designed, allowing you to easily maneuver comfortably at all angles, perfect for travel and everyday use. So if you're ready to upgrade your head shaving game, head over to manscaped.com and get your Dome Shaver Pro today. Trust me, you won't regret it.